Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode. In today's video I've purchased a £60 mystery box from the Spider Shop, so let's show you what we got. So here it is, the £60 mystery box from the Spider Shop. Now I did order this last week, but because of the Central Invert show I've had to wait for today for it to arrive, which is no problem at all. It's just made me more excited to get it and see what's inside. Let's open it up and let's see what we got. This isn't the first unboxing I've ever done, but they never get boring. So first we've got the Invert Show's flyer with all the dates of all the upcoming shows. Oh no, it wasn't the Central Invert show, it was the Capital Invert show. My bad, sorry, got it wrong, but you know, I'm excited, I can't be blamed. So let's take out the packing peanuts and get to the good stuff. I can already see some little bits in here. What's the first thing I come across? We have got an M-Balfouri. That's gonna be a sling. I was thinking about getting another communal, but one on its own, that'll do me. Can't complain about an M-Balfouri. What's next in here? Oh, you know I'm a big Phormictopus fan, and this is Phormictopus atrachromatus. I actually do need one of these in the collection, so I am happy with that as well. What else have we got in here? There's another sling here. Why Ibrapora diversipes. I love this species, they are awesome. I've wanted one for ages. This is so cool. I'm loving this box so far. Now, is there anything else, or was it just free in there? Just getting rid of all the packing peanuts. It looks to be that's all that's in there. I'm not seeing anything else, unless there's anything tiny in there. I could be wrong. No, that's it. Free spiders. Now I'm not sure if these are slings or juveniles, but we're about to find out. So we're going to do the rehousing portion of this, just getting the enclosures set up. I'm going to use some cocoa fibre and a little bit of cork bark in here. And the first one that I'm going to rehouse is the Phormictopus atrachromatus. Now I don't know what sizes these are, but to only have 3 in the box for £60, they must be a decent size. Well, I should hope they are. Let's find out. Let's open this up. I see a leg. Oh yeah, it's a fairly decent size for species that I'm yet to have in the collection. So that is a nice size. Won't take long until that's a nice big adult. So let's just, looks like it's in pre-molt. So let's just pull it on its cork bark. There you go. Lovely. Beautiful spider. Do love Phormictopus species. so I'm always happy when I get one. Let's do the next one. Next up, same setup again. Some cocoa fibre, little bit of cork bark for the M. balfouri to hide under. Hopefully this is roughly around the same size. I hope it's not smaller, because then it will be dwarfed in this enclosure that I've got for it. And then I'll just have to stick it in the vial. Let's open it up. Oh, this is a fairly decent size as well. Now these can be bolty, but I am prepared for that. Oh, no, 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 no. It just run under the sofa. So after several minutes and pulling the sofa out, I managed to catch it again. I did say these things were bolty. I should have took my own advice and just been more cautious. So let that be a lesson to anyone rehousing balfouris. They do like to bolt. Now I'm going to leave it in that vial and let it come out on its own, and then eventually take the vial out once it's burrowed in under the cork bark, because I haven't got the patience to chase after this little guy or girl again, and I've got another tarantula to rehouse. So that was a very stressful M. balfouri. So last but not least, we have this Y diversipes. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that this one has got some size on it, just like the last two. If it does, then I'm very, very, very happy with this box, because this on its own, a Y diversipes, is £24. So I'm guessing that the other two are going to be in the £20 price region, making this £60 box very worth it. But by the looks of it, this Y diversipes is a teeny tiny tinchy sling, but a beautiful sling at that. Oh, look at that beauty. Absolutely stunning species. I have wanted one of these forever, so I'm happy with that. Let's just get this into its new enclosure and stop gulping over it. No, 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 no. Oh, that is so typical in this video. Back up, come on. These things are a bit like a versicolor. Once they're out, they just want to stay out. There it is in its little enclosure, where it will be super happy. I am so happy with that box. So that was the £60 mystery box from the Spider Shop. Now I was happy with it because I know the price of the tarantulas inside, but let me know in the comments if you would be happy with that box. It'd be really interesting to see what you guys say. I am going to end the video there because it has been a blast and I'm really excited to get to reading your comments. So take care. I'll see you in the next one.